Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into your Phantom Wallet app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, make sure you have installed the app on your device, and now go ahead, tap on this app of yours. And now you will see this option of create a new wallet and import an existing wallet listed. So login purpose, you can tap on the import existing wallet, and now you can see you can provide your face ID for the authentication purpose. And once you're done with that, tap on next, and you can see import a wallet section. You can see import secure recovery phrase, import private key, connect hardware wallet, whichever one you remember the information of, you can choose from over here. Once you do that, you simply gotta provide the secret phrase, tap on next. You will be able to import your wallet over here right away. And the next time you log in, afterwards, if you log out of your account and next time you open your Phantom wallet, you will find the interface where you simply have to enter your email ID or your Phantom wallet ID and your password. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.